Producing amazing heat transfers for all types of light-colored garments is done easily with IQ and the Xante end press. I'll show you step by step how easy it is. First, select the job you wish to have printed on transfer paper. Click the job to have it open in preview. Next, go to Printer Settings and adjust the media weight setting according to the thickness of the transfer paper you will be using. Typically, Media Type 7 does a great job. Select the tray you will be drawing the transfer paper from and choose the paper feed orientation. Please ensure to check the Mirror Print option so that the image will appear correctly on your garment. Then, go to Imposition. Select the size of your transfer paper or create a new custom size. Now you have several options inside IQ. You can do multiple ups to save on media costs, or you can change your image size and rotate the images that best serves your needs. Then go to Color Screen Control. Halftoning is very important when printing garments. You can choose any screen settings you want, but most screen printers will tell you that for cotton garments, a 30 LPI halftone with an Euclidean halftone shape is the best option to give you an image with great color and, importantly, extended washability and life for the garment. For polyester garments, halftoning is less of an issue, so you can set IQ to the printer defaults as they do a great job. Now that all of your settings have been adjusted, simply drag and drop your job to the end press at the bottom of your screen to initiate printing. Once your image has printed on the transfer paper, it is time to use your heat press. A quality heat press is essential for great results. You don't want to skimp here. Begin by setting your heat press to the correct time, temperature, and pressure settings provided by your transfer paper supplier. Remember, cottons and polyester garments require a far different setting and will be supplied to you by your paper supplier. Use the scissors to remove excess paper from around the printed image, and this creates a more pleasing transfer. You will probably want to heat your shirt before applying the image. This not only irons the shirt flat, but it removes any excess moisture. Place the image face down on the garment you wish to transfer the image to and cover with parchment paper to protect your heat platen. Apply the heat press to your paper and garment according to the instructions from your paper supplier. When the time is up, release the press and carefully peel the transfer paper off of the material gently while it is still hot, but some transfers require a cold peel, so again, your paper supplier will provide you with correct instructions. Finally, most garments finished best with another 10 to 20 second press. The garment is beautiful and ready to sell.